Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the stamp set Kindness and Compassion, as well as the brand new basic pattern decorative mask in this pattern. And you will find it squirreled away in a corner on page 35 of the brand new holiday catalog. I just wanted to share with you how I'm going to create my own background using a mask in a non-traditional way. I have a piece of Whisper White regular taped down to my work surface, and I've actually taped the mask down, and just with my Stampin' Right marker, I am outlining the pattern. This would work with any pattern that you have. And ta-da! I've just sort of made outline stamps. So I'm coloring them in with a whole bunch of different colors of blends. I start off with soft sea foam in the light. I transition to soft sea foam in the dark. And then I do light and dark Call Me Clover, light and dark Bermuda Bay, and light and dark Royal Peacock. To finish up the coloring. So I did kind of go from a light soft green to a medium toned royal blue. And yeah, that was simple. And then, oh, here we are with my ornate frames. These are also new in the catalog. You will be able to purchase these on September the 4th. If you need help with your purchases, I'm more than willing to help you out. Hopefully, if you're looking for a demonstrator in Canada, that would be me. I would love to earn your business. Okay, so I've just attached this to soft sea foam, and of course I stamped that lovely thank you from the Kindness and Compassion stamp set with Stays On ink. I love Stays On ink with my red rubber stamps. And then I didn't realize this. Well, I know that we're selling faceted gems in the in colors, and these are retired. So excuse me so much for using a retired product, but I always use my embellishments whenever. So anyway, you can get something similar in the annual catalog. But that's my card for today. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.